Hello everyone. In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can create an item with different number series naming conventions from the item template. So previously, if you are using any version before October 1st, 2021, which is Business Central any version before Business Central version 18, then you will not be able to see item template, customer template, and vendor template, employee template separately. But since that version, then if you search item template, then you will see there's an individual item here which says item template. Same for the customer template, vendor template, and employee template. And then if you open the item template, you can see the structure. You have all the fields available. And the structure layout for this template is exactly like what you see on the item card. But before that, like if you are using a previous version, then if you search item template, so this is the version 16, you can see on the top, this is the BC version 16. And if you search item template, you will not be able to see it. You don't have that, but you do have the configuration template, which is you can create the configuration templates for item, customer, vendor as well. But the format of these templates is a little bit different. So you can see you have to define the field, then you have to then manually enter this value. But the layout is not like what you see from the customer card, item card, vendor card. So then this release from version 18, it just makes your job to be easier when you create a new master record like item, customer, or vendors. And so what if you have multiple number series for your item, you may have different naming conventions for, if we go to the number series in this Kronos database, then if you look at the item, then you can see in this database, in this demo database, there's a multiple item number series, okay? So you can have different naming conventions for different items. Like you may want to name your raw material to be something, and then finished goods to be something. And then, or you can name it differently based on if it's a assembly item, if it's a regular item. So it's just you want to use different naming conventions for the numbers than for your own purpose, so you can know what item groups those items belong to. If that's the case, you could see my naming conventions for this item, which shows starting number from 1000 to 9999. However, my item 1 is from 70,000 to 70,099. My item 4 number series has a dash in the middle of the number. So let's say that's a different format I want my different item groups to create when I create a new item. So if that's the case, usually on the number series, then you may want to set up a relation. So you can go to the related series and the relationships. From here, under the item, I can set up the relation for this item number series with the other two number series. So once you create an item, so if I create an item manually, then so if I try to create an item manually, then it will let me select what number series you want to use. So if I'm click on new, and then let's select this template. So because I defined that relationship, the purpose of the relationship is you can switch between these number series. When you click on new and create this item, then you could see when I click on the three dot, the assist edit beside the number, then it just show up the window, it give you the different number series you can select from. You can switch between them once you define those relationships. So if I don't want to use this number, this number, you could see it's the first naming convention within the 1000 to 9999, within this range. But if I want to switch to the other number series naming convention, I can just select that and then click on OK. Then just say I want to update this record. So, but now it's giving me an arrow, but regularly if you don't have any arrow, it will switch to the other number series automatically for you. And so that's how you can use the relationship. But what I really want to demonstrate is by define the different item number series, then if you create an item template, and on the item template, because you could see this field which says number series. If I want to define, if you create a new item with this item template, item 000001, then it's going to use my number series, the naming convention for my number series item 4. You could see in my item number series for the number series item 1, the last number used is 78002. So what I'm gonna do, there's some setup in the inventory setup, because we already created a relationship for item between the number series item 1, item 4. And in the inventory setup, we still have to specify the item number. So we're gonna use item, because on the item number series, we have a relationship for item 1 and item 4. So we should be okay. And then we're going to our item template. And in the item templates, we're gonna use the raw material template. And then we're gonna assign the number series item 1. The item 1, the last number used, like we said, is 78002. So if I create a new item with this item template, then the expected number for the new item will be 78003. Okay, so let's take a look by using this item template RM1. So we are gonna go to the item list and create a new item. So for the item template, we're gonna select RM1 and click on OK. Then let's see how it works. So we should see an item 78003 as we expected. Okay, so which means by using the item template and specify the number series for the different item number series naming convention, then we can create a different items with the different item group naming convention by using the item template. So yeah, so this is another very useful application for the item template. But out of the box, what is expected from those templates is like you can batch specify a few items and apply the template. Like if you don't use the number series, like in this case, I don't use the number series, but I created a bunch of new items. Then I can go to so then we can select the item and go to actions. Then we can select apply template. You can multi-select a few items and say apply template. So then it asks you what template you want to apply. Then you can select the template to apply the template you want. So that's another out-of-box feature of this templates. And I can select multiple ones, like I can select more and select a few items here, and then I can go to actions and apply templates and then select this item template. Yeah, so that's how it works. Okay, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.
Thank you for watching this Archer Point video. Stay in the know with the latest on Microsoft Dynamics by subscribing to our channel. You can also learn more from our blog at archerpoint.com or email info@archerpoint.com to contact us. See you in the next video.